My name is Shihan. You can also call me David. I'm the fourth year PhD student in University of Florida. My main research concentration related to tourism and analytics in social media, and I apply multiple methods in big data analytics to look into tourists, their behaviors, their discourse, and their perceptions regarding to all kind of issues in tourism industry. As I have mentioned, the data analytics in tourism is my main focus. So we mainly used the social media data, especially like the data we collect from Instagram, from Twitter, as well as like Flickrs, all kind of social media platform, and we try to navigate such data to to investigate if there are certain patterns of their spatial movement or there are certain topics they want to express in their discourse. And I would point out there's one particular aspect we would like to look into is the social media pictures. And the tourists today, we are usually will take multiple pictures during travel, and we would like to share it online with our friends. And the one of our research is we look into the what kind of picture you're taking during your travel, and try to find out what aspect of a destination really interests you. This is one of the research question. Some other research question might related to based on the geotag associated with that picture, we might find out where is the attraction you visited, how you moved during your travel, or kind of that questions. I have another direction as my research concentration is the topic related to climate change and tourism. We all know that climate change is a imperative issue facing the human beings, but there's a lot of talking just related to how climate change might influence tourism and tourists, but there's still a lack of discussion on how tourists might respond to climate change, and this is the issue I'm really interested to look into. I am really confident to say that all kind of my researches, they're really practical oriented. The results and findings from our recent project will always give us some suggestions and recommendations for the marketing and the tourism industry. We are also working on a project collaborate with Florida Department of Transportation. We also would like to using multiple source on social media to try to find out the tourist flow in Florida. As we all know that tourism is an essential industry in Florida, and how tourist flows might influence the local traffic is a I would say it's a huge problem for the local transportation department, and they would like to find out the patterns for some emergency cases, how they would like to work out a plan for such occasions. And we really hope that the social media data will give us some clue for such problems.